Okay, so guys, today I'm going to unbox this HP Omen DC1077TX. Okay, so the specs are a Intel i5 9 Gen 9300H RTX 2060, 8GB of memory, 44Hz screen, and the price at this time is about $1,060 in my country, which is Indonesia. And by the way, this is a 2019 model, but it still uses the older 2018 chassis. Okay, so yeah, let's get to it. The last one, very last. Yep. So now we are going to open the bubble wrap. Let's just open the second one. Okay, let's see. Okay, I'm just going to use my scaler for this one. I don't know if you can see it, but it says OMEN. And this is actually my first ever video that I'm going to upload on YouTube, so yeah, it's not that great maybe in terms of quality wise. Oops. You might wonder why I didn't just tear into this, because, well, I actually still need the bubble wrap for later on use. Okay, now so to the main content. This is what you got. You got HP 17.3 Omen red backpack. So you got this red backpack. This is actually bundled with the laptop. So I'm just going to set this aside first, and voila, this is it. Box. Omen by HP, so you can clearly see here. As we said, so for we got the artwork of the laptop with black and red Omen, which is quite great actually. It's kind of look good in my opinion. So down here we got this Omen logo, this kind of tribal mask thing. And up here we got, wipe here. So we got Bang & Olufsen audio, another one logo, and handle for the box. So let's see on the back. You know, some of you got typical stuff, technical stuff. Okay. So in the description here we got Omen by HP laptop DC1077TX Indo. To the other side we got Omen by HP laptop. That's weird. 15 DC1077TX 9th generation Intel Core i5 9300H 2.4 GHz 256 SSD drive with 1 TB of hard drive, a 8 GB SODIMM DDR4 SD RAM, an optical drive, a Windows 10, a 15.6 Full HD IPS LED display, 144 Hz, Bluetooth and LAN, and GeForce RTX, and Bang & Olufsen audio. And over here we got this technical description and the Windows 10 logo. Yeah, okay. Let's start unboxing. We got to open it over here. It is sealed right here, so you can clearly see. Let's open it. Okay, that's it. Don't see any under seal. Let's open this. Put it back. And oops, out of focus there. Yep. So this is what you got. So over here on top we got this sheet, this paper sheet. So got a laptop artworks here, and a instruction manual, I guess. It's more like a quick start guide actually, with various language. And on the back here we have all the things that you can do. Oh, sorry, I mean all the manual, like which part is which over here, and the AC plug-in, power buttons. Yep, that's it. Let's put it to the side. So you got the lid here. Ooh, lid here. See, oh yeah, like you can see this logo, embossed logo of Omen. It's made of plastic, really. I think that's special. Let's put it to the side. Okay, so over here we got a manual product. Yeah. Usual stuff. And a guarantee card. Yeah, for Indonesia. And over here we got the laptop. Okay, let's pick it up, shall we? Okay, let's go. Ooh. Just covered in this plastic. I'm just going to put it aside again. And we over here on the right we got the charger, power brick. This one, it's quite huge. It's 200 watts. Just going to put aside, and the wall connector adapter. Yeah, that's it really. And there's nothing here anymore. Okay, now let's open the package. Oops. Over here, it's sealed. Not really satisfactory, but not really giving you a satisfaction. Now let's just open it again. Ooh. Okay, so this is the top, the lid. We got the Omen logo, shiny red with red accent. This version does not have LED lighting on them. So over here we have the carbon texture. It's plastic, I believe. We got this top lid, even though it looks like brushed aluminium, it's not really aluminium, it's just plastic. So let's flip it. Okay, so this is the back side. Over here we have, let's see, Omen, designed and engineered by HP Incorporated. We also have these two grills, left and right, and we have this plastic indent right here. So the fan is so that it will hold the laptop a bit higher, just a bit higher. And we also have one and on the left and right, and we have the speaker grill as well, left and right, and some other stickers. We also have this texture right here. It's kind of texture different from the other part, and we also, I don't know if you can see it. Okay, so we have this Omen logo. It's embossed. Sorry, no, you can feel it. And we have here it says Omen. On the back here we have exhaust port on the left and on the right here. So we have the LAN connector there. We have the USB port, a HDMI port, mini display port, a USB-C Thunderbolt, and a security lock. Okay, so let's flip it. On the left, oops, you can clearly see that we have this another USB and headphone plug and microphone plug. And over here we have an SD card slot. It's full, by the way. And let's just flip it to the other side. And over here we have a DC in for the charge. We also have another USB, and we got this LED light over here. So let's just open the lid. I'm opening it with one hand. Let's see. Yep, you can open it pretty easily. So over here we have the Omen logo and the Omen writing. We have this 144 Hz refresh rate. We also have this webcam on top, and this, I believe, the mic. There's another one here. And over here we have the power button. We have an Bang & Olufsen. You have the trackpad over here. Yeah. Oh no, yeah. By the way, the deck is actually made out of aluminium. Sorry. Also have this indent right here for the exhaust. Here. To receive the typing sound. The trackpad. Two left and right button. You have also the numpad here, and an Omen button. You also have stickers, Core i5 9 Gen, and GeForce RTX.